What's up, YouTube fam? So I've been posting a lot of hair videos lately just because I've been trying to prepare for this new month of self-care, and I'm starting with my hair to make sure that I feel good about myself. So I tried this TikTok slash YouTube slash social media hack to cut my hair. I've done a DIY trimming my hair at home video before. I'll link that. That's how I normally trim my hair. But for this time, I wanted to do this hack that I saw to see if I can get a nice blunt cut, right? So first you put your hair into 2 ponytails, right? From what I've seen, you put it into 2 ponytails with the knot, like the ponytails by your ear. So that's what I did. And then you kind of want to make sure your hair is as smooth or straight as possible, and the ponytails are as smooth and as neat as possible. So that's what I'm doing here, just trying to smooth out the ponytails, make sure that they're as even as possible, as slick as possible, so that I can get this, straight cut that I'm going for. So I'm putting the scrunchie at the top, making sure that, ponytail is super flat to my head. So I put it on each side, and then I'm going to pretty much just add a scrunchie all the way down. Skipping maybe 2 inches in between each scrunchie. I know I look real crazy, but kind of cute, like a little girl. But so I did 2 on each side for now. And then I kind of ran out of scrunchies, so don't hate me, but I use rubber bands for the ends. I hate rubber bands because they be breaking your hair off. But this is all I had, so this is what we're going to do. Don't judge me, I don't judge you. That's how we do on my channel. It's a no judgment zone. But this is what I'm doing here, and I'm just trying to gently slide the rubber bands down. Y'all, I cut off 4 inches of my hair, but just watch. This is pretty much the process that I did to cut my hair. Stay tuned to the whole video so you can see the final outcome, my final thoughts on this method. But pretty much just doing the same thing on each side. Okay, so this is what I ended up with. Even, making sure that the scrunchies are even on both sides and kind of lined up, and the rubber bands. Really trying to decide if I wanted to move forward with this, but my ends were really janky, raggedy. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna cut what I cut. It's just hair, it'll grow back. So right here, I'm just pondering, looking at it, make sure I think it's even, and then I'm going to cut right above the rubber band. The rubber band's kind of holding things in place. So a little bit above the rubber band, and I'm just going to... It looks super straight when I cut it off. You can see my ponytail look super, I don't know, wiggy or something. And just doing the same thing on the other side. I had to make that sound effect. But okay, this is what I came out with. So when I first cut them, I was like, okay, it's looking blunt cut. So these are the pieces that I cut off. So I was like, okay, I'm onto something. When I saw the ponytails and how blunt they looked, I was like, okay, you're onto something. Okay, and then I'm like, it's getting shorter than it's a little scary. Lost a little couple of inches or so. But now I'm going to take these scrunchies off and really see the truth behind this cut. Slide one off. It looks so healthy though. Comment below if you think my hair looks super healthy. It's nothing like having some freshly trimmed ends. So it looks super healthy, super straight and even in the ponytails. But keep watching, wait for it. Y'all, I really thought I was doing something trying to even out these ponytails. Not realizing that when I take these ponytails out, baby, look at that. The back is so much longer than the front. So I'm trying to check it out, figure out what the heck I just did to my hair. The front is all right, but then when I look at the back, I'm just like, dang, I really cut a whole lot more off the front, because normally my hair is longer in the front than in the back. The back is always shorter. So that tells you that I cut so much off the front, but it's okay. Like I said, it's just hair. I'm trying this hack so you don't have to, so you can know, like, okay, should I do this? I've seen this, should I do it? I don't know. But I'm just now just trying to comb through my hair, trying to even this out as much as possible. Not gonna lie, I was a bit, stressed out during this process, because I was like, this is not what I expected. Again, it's super healthy, and I honestly wanted to have my hair just flat straight, but because I was skeptical on the actual cut, I was like, I'm gonna bump the ends just to make it blend a little bit more, versus the straight look, because you can kind of hide that it's not completely blunt. But you can see on this other side right here, it's just a hot mess. Like, it's a piece that's long in the front, it's shorter in the middle, and then it's like longer in the back. It's just so uneven. So overall, I'm gonna say that this hack wasn't really that great of a hack. I mean, it was a good foundation, and then you go in and kind of like fix and tweak the cut. But overall, I thought it was going to be so much simpler and easier, and less of a process. I mean, it's a cut, so you got to keep playing around with the cut anytime you do one, to make sure you get the actual look that you want. But now I'm just kind of like going in and just trying to make this work, y'all. But comment below if you have tried this hack, if you think you want to try it. I mean, I know a lot of people, we don't want to lose no inches, especially my good sisters out here. We don't want to lose no inches because we work hard for our inches. But I was like, let me try this. So it's coming together a little bit. I flat ironed my hair with my new flat iron, y'all. If y'all haven't seen the video on this flat iron and my DIY silk press updated video, definitely check it out. But overall, I mean, it was a decent hack. I'm not too mad at myself. I know it's hair, it'll grow back, but I'm definitely gonna go to the salon and get somebody to touch up this haircut. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.